Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Water bath canning is not that difficult. If you can boil water, you can water bath can. Here I'm going to go through step by step my canning, my strawberry jam I did the other day, but just as this is how we water bath. Okay, Rebel Canners? So what you need is a large pot. It doesn't have to be a fancy one like this one here. Okay? You just need a spaghetti pot. You can use a spaghetti pot to can in if you have one. It just has to be deeper than your jars. That's it. Just has to be deeper so that you can have 1 inch of water to cover your jars. To match your jar temperature. So if you've just filled your jars with hot boiling product, you're going to want hot water to put your jars in. You don't want to have what they call thermal shock from cold water hitting hot glass. Put enough water in there that you'll have water covering your jars when you are done. So just don't put too much because it takes longer to heat it and keep it all boiling also. So just kind of, gauge it. You'll learn as you go. Pro tip, go ahead and do the dishes while you're waiting for the water to come to the boil. And do as much as your cleanup as possible. And then your kitchen will be nice and tidy when you're done. So once your time, whatever time it is for the food you are processing, has boiled, go ahead and remove the jars from your canner. I like to use this tool. It's called a jar lifter. Set your jars out on a towel, not directly on the counter, to help, again, prevent thermal shock, and let them sit there for 24 hours to seal. And there you have it, Rebel Canners. That's all there is to water bath canning. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.